E, okay. And then X.
It's beginning. It's a nose.
Oh, okay. And then your second name?
X.
X. Sunod? A. And then?
L-E-X-X. A. What is it?
N.
N, yeah. It's N.
N, yes. Very good. Very good. And then letter?
What's something else?
Letter D.
Okay.
Itapad na. Nabulag man. Itapad. Erase. Alright. Sama ni oy.
Itapad.
Ah, itapad.
Itapad.
Di. Oh. Sumpay.
Ala.
Sumpay.
Sumpay.
Oh, isumpay.
Ah.
Yun, taasa po na oy.
Big.
It's so big. And then letter?
Really bigger.
Letter E.
Uy, big E. E. It's the E is everything.
E is everything.
Can see.
C.
Can this.
Sumpay.
Itapad.
Oh, tapad.
Itapad sini.
Dugangi pa.
It's not circle.
Oh, it's not circle. Ah, taas yung line. Taas pa taas.
Taas.
More pa more.
Ani.
Oh. Oops. And then letter E.
I think ER.
ER, yes.
R.
Alright.
E.
Whoa. And then letter R.
I think R.
Wow, well done. And then Manalo.
Alalo. It's Idwaba.
Idbaba?
It's a mala. No, Idwaba.
Oh.
Alala.
Sige daw, isulat ng Idbaba, B. It's too long. M. Well done. Very good. And then, sakto na. And then letter. Sunod sa M. Letter.
Ma.
A. Ma.
A.
Mm-hmm.
A. Ang kita.
Ooh. Itapad ay bulag.
Okay. Igi bagi A.
And then letter. Go.
Itapad. Itapad.
Yay! And then letter N. Oh, sorry.
Oh, say, Mom.
Letter N. Well done.
Letter N. Alexander.
And then letter A.
Okay. But this circle. That's not circle. I need erase. Circle.
And then itapad.
Yay.
Well done! And then letter L.
Okay, I need big.
Big L. Wow! And then letter O.
Okay.
Wow! Yay!
Alexander Malalo.
Yay! Well done. Well done. Alexander Manalo. Alexander, ay. Oh, how old are you? You write your number, your age number.
Huh?
How old are you? You write your age.
It's 4.
4. Oh, you write number 4?
I think L.
Oh, letter E man na. Number 4. You write number 4.
Oh, I need this. Anak.
Ah! Wais ba kayo? Okay, basa.
L E X X A N D E R M A N O L O 4.
Again, you read.
L.
No, you read Lex.
Alexander Malalo 4.
Yay! Oh, how about Edwava? You write Edwava.
I need E.
Oh, you write E. At the
Big
bottom.
E. Big E.
Big E, big E at the bottom.
At the bottom.
Okay, E.
E.
Yay!
Anak.
Ana.
Kani.
Ana. And then letter D.
Oy, itapad.
Oh, okay na, okay na. D. Next is D.
Igisir ko.
D.
Itapad.
Oh, sakto na, sakto. Dugangin line din sa kilid.
Ang
Ana. Oh, pasaka.
saka.
Ayun. And then U.
Okay.
Letter U. And then letter A again.
Okay.
And then V. Itapad ay bulag.
Okay.
Da. And then, dagang itapad. Iyon. Taro nga imong taro nga.
It's not A. I'm drawing erase. You finish, Alexander. You can give in your cell phone. You can of name.
A man A. Taro ang A.
Huh?
A.
It's careful behind you and not erase.
Careful nga di ma-erase. Perfect. And then letter A. Itapad. Circle.
See?
And then itapad. Oh, itapad.
Da.
And then letter V.
Oh, V.
V.
Ang V. Ang kani.
Cute movie. And then letter A.
Okay, but A has C. I like C.
You like C?
Okay. C.
Then itapad.
Ang kani.
Yay!
Ito O.
Huh? Oh, wala na O.
Okay. Alexander Malalo for Edwava.
Baliktad. Alexander Edwava Manalo.
Alexander Edwava Malalo for.
Yay! Well done.
Well done.
High five.